Hey guys, it's Charyzee Maey. You know what I'm saying? We're back with another video, and today.
Subscribe.
So today I actually recorded. So basically, I had an idea to make my own patchwork jeans, picture right here, but I didn't record the intro yesterday, and I didn't even want to record it. Like, I just wanted to do it, so I didn't know if I was going to make it into a video or whatever. So it's right now on the floor, making sure everything's sticking down, so we put a bunch of heavy things on it. But yeah, you already know the vibes. So basically the videos you're going to see is me wearing my pajamas, and I also broke my tripod. Basically, I've already stuck the jeans on to the other jeans. That's what's up. So we just ran out of glue. And we haven't finished sticking everything, so... Hey guys, so this is how the jeans... Okay, hold it once. These are how they look so far. Hey guys, so the jeans are nearly there. So let me show you guys how I look with it on right now. Period. Dad, say hi.
Hello. Hello there.
I got a ice on me super silly. Fathers came in off a hunt. Yeah, my niggas still tripping for fun. Didn't know I was the one. Still got niggas on the run, yeah. I hear it down my chest.
So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a big thumbs up. If you like more DIYs like this, DM me on Instagram of any ideas that you want me to do, and we'll do it. So yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.